overnight. All this money that I've been making, I gave it right back to all of the people that made me, you know we like that.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, back again with another episode of Mail Time. We got 4 packages to open today, and I think most of it is going to be from the Supreme Week 1 drop. And yeah, that does sound kind of weird because Supreme Week 1 was like almost 2 weeks ago now. But again, they're shipping from New York all the way to Hawaii, and Supreme is notorious for shipping very slowly, so that's where we are today. But before we get into it today, if you guys have not already, I highly suggest you hit that subscribe button down below. Be sure to hit that notification bell next to that subscribe button so you guys can join the Untied Ohana. Definitely want you guys part of the Ohana. Definitely want you guys part of that family. So be sure to do that down below. And without further ado, let's get into the mail time, man. I actually want to start off with this one because I have no idea what it is. This one says that it's from grailgallery.com, and I literally didn't buy anything from grailgallery.com. So very confused on what this is. But yeah, let's take a look. Okay. Alright, so there's a note in here. Hey Bryson, your beater box unboxings are literally our favorite thing on YouTube. Alright, so this sounds like it's somebody from the Ohana. That's cool. We appreciate the time, effort, and dedication it takes to make videos. We hope that our art canvases, that's pretty cool, will be a welcomed addition to your impressive collection. Keep up the awesome job. Yo, and there's, whoa, what is this? Alright, this is dope. I think there's 4 different prints in here. Alright, so this one's pretty dope. It's a play off the Kanye My Beautiful Dark Twisted Fantasy, and it's like a printed canvas, so I mean, it's like very high quality stuff. I like this. Dang, and they sent 4 of these? That's insane. Okay. So next up, we got this Kermit the Frog Supreme. I don't know if you guys have seen the decks for this kind of stuff, but the decks go for a lot of money, and this is pretty dope, man. Hype art is really cool. If you guys didn't know, I'm like into that kind of stuff. I have like a whole bunch of like collectors, bear bricks, and like cost stuff up there, so really into the hype art kind of scene. So I think this stuff is pretty cool. All right, so this is simple. Just human race on a hue canvas, so you can see that. Okay, and now it makes more sense, guys. The reason why that one is like that, and the reason why it says hue, is because they gave a race as well. So it's like a 2-part thing, I guess. Human race, hue race. That's pretty cool. Oh, there we go. But yeah, that is pretty dope. So thank you again to grailgallery.com. I mean, definitely check them out. I was not expecting this at all, but now that it's here, that's really dope. The Ohana needs to support the Ohana, man. So thank you guys again. But yeah, if you guys are interested in that, I definitely would recommend checking them out at grailgallery.com. Now that we got that out of the way, let's check out what else we have. This one, I actually know what it is because I ordered it. Yeah. I've been really hyped for this one, man. Oh, it even comes in the bag, right on. So you guys can see Bathing Ape. And I've said on the channel before that I don't wear anything that's Bathing Ape for the most part, but this piece was something that I really wanted, and yeah, I bit the bullet and paid for it. So nicely wrapped up. I think this was an eBay purchase. I can't remember. Here it is. This is why I got it. I really am into like track jackets and stuff. And this is the Bape Adidas track jacket that came out about the same time as the shoes came out. All right, right on. This is pretty nice. But yeah, this is definitely a keeper piece. I know it's probably going to be like my first Bape thing that I own, so I like this. Nice pickup. So the last 2 things that we got here, if you guys can't tell already, I'm guessing you guys know what kind of box this is. So I'm just gonna open it up real quick. First Supreme piece of the season. Long Supreme bag. Typical when you're buying this kind of product. So this is probably my most targeted piece of the drop. It's that Skull Supreme skate deck, and honestly, like anything that has the Supreme in big letters right across it, not only does it have dope resale value, I'm not reselling it, it's just a really nice piece. And over time, I mean, resale definitely goes up on this kind of stuff, but for me, this is just a really dope piece, man. I like that. What do you guys think? They had a jacket and stuff with the same design, and I think the Vans just came out last week. But for me, out of all those pieces, the one that's most functional and the one that makes most sense to me is the skate deck. I'm not gonna wear those Vans, I'm not gonna wear that jacket. So for me, this is pretty cool. Definitely gonna display it up in the back somewhere. So the last one, it's another skateboard, obviously, but I can assure you it's not the same skate deck. So let me open this up real quick. Okay, we got the bottom this time. I'm kind of bummed I didn't get any of the poppy seeds. That sucks. Alright, so we got a skate deck again. It comes with the One Box logo sticker. On the back though, Illegal Business Controls America. This is another piece that I was targeting. I don't know why, but I really like the skate decks from there. They are just really nice display pieces. I mean, while you can still throw trucks and some wheels on it and skate it, I mean, for the most part, it's not meant to be skate, which is confusing because Supreme is a skate company. And this is a skateboard, but yet it's hung on walls for the most part. I don't know, man. Hype stuff is confusing as... But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys thought was the best pickup from here. Again, that's pretty cool. The grailgallery.com sent some cool stuff. For me, definitely that Bape jacket is my most fire piece. I don't go out of my way to buy things at resale very often, but that one I had to have. So that's my favorite piece from this collection. Let me know what your guys' was in the comments below though. Hopefully we're gonna have a lot more Supreme pieces coming every single week. I try to grab like my favorite item every week, and it's Supreme this season has been pretty dull. I'm not gonna lie. There wasn't really a lot of good stuff for week 2. Week 1 was a lot of stuff, but there wasn't really a lot of things that hit me like, whoa, I really want this, you know? They haven't announced box logos, they haven't announced a portrait tee, so it's like really kind of bland so far. I mean, this week is the NBA stuff, and that one doesn't look that great either, so hopefully it picks up. It's just the beginning. We got a lot more weeks left to go, so stay tuned, because that'll be on every single Mail Time going forward. So thank you guys again for watching though. This has been another episode of Mail Time with Untied Hawaii, but until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, aloha. I'll see you guys. Shoots!